बाद व्लॉग बनाना नहीं हैगा, यही बनाउणगे व्लॉग। सो मेरे लिए बाय 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 बाय।
सत श्री अकाल जी सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। तो अज असी करन जा रहे हैं 24 आवर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग चैलेंज। सो जेड़ा भी ये चैलेंज हारूगा उन्होंने कॉन्सिक्वेंसिस फेस करने पैणगे। तो 24 घंटे हुण असी अंग्रेजी च ही गल करनी है, समझ आ गया? ठीक है मुस्कान? ओनली इंग्लिश टॉकिंग, वी ओनली टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश। Muskan is ready. Muskan is going to Reading for playing the games. Muskan, what are you doing?
You can't see.
No, I can't see. Now Muskan is taking what is this? Too much makeup posting on face.
It is not a makeup, it's a lipstick, okay?
Eating? I ask you something.
We eat kurkura with onion and tomato.
Good. And you, Kushi? What are you eating? Same here. Okay. So, the one who lost this challenge has to face the consequences.
What is the meaning of consequences?
Consequences mean punishment. He have to face the punishment. Okay. So now Muskan is going to wash the utensils.
Me also. And throw the garbage in.
Do you know what is utensils? One penalty. You talk in Hindi. One penalty होगी.
There the meaning कुछ ऐसी.
One penalty. Only talking in English.
Yes.
I think for playing a game we have to go on Kotha. Kotha. Can we go now?
Not Kotha, it's terrace.
Oh my God. Too much English. Khushi, you do lots of penalties. You have to face the consequences, understand?
Why are you repeating one line again and again?
Because she break the rules.
I'm just fed up from these lines.
Oh my God. Too much heavy words. Now we're going to Kotha for playing our games. Let's Ponk. Kushi is going to ponking. So now, what's the time? तो 4 o'clock बज गए हैं. Now we going to play some games. So you tell me the game.
But this time we do not decide. This time we do not decide which game we played. So we tell you after some time.
Good job.
কি সুন্দর, চলো দেখਦੇ ਆਂ। We are deciding की गेम खेलना है।
स्टैंड ज्योति आउट। चलो सिट अनु आउट। पीछे हो जा, सीधी हो जा। स्टैंड सिट अनु आउट। नाउ 3 girls are left, मुस्कान, खुशी एंड स्नेहा। स्टैंड आउट। मुस्कान विनर।
साइड क्या पनिशमेंट देनी है?
दिमाग।
Do you have brain?
Yes, I am. Now it's washed. I tell you after some time.
Khan, do you decide what punishment?
ਮੁਸਕਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਦਾ ਕੱਲਾ ਵਲੌਗ 'ਚ
Because ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਅਨਪੜ੍ਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਮੀਡੀਅਮ
Now I'm giving punishment to them,
all of them.
So, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ?
In English, in
What
English.
should they do is that they go downstairs.
Okay.
In the front of Khushi's mom. Then they do unusual dance in front of them.
Okay. It's going to challenging. कोई गल नहीं.
I accepted.
You accepted
Yeah.
something different.
In street, not in the house.
Okay. Okay.
ਓਕੇ ਆਈ ਐਕਸੈਪਟਡ
Let's go.
Because खुशी please. दो शब्द बोलो. दो शब्द speak.
ਦੋ ਸ਼ਬਦ
Two words. Two words.
ਟੂ ਵਰਡਸ टू वर्ड्स कैसे बोलना ना बोलते
So I think this
is
challenge
very
is
difficult.
going to very difficult for us.
Yes.
Especially for Kushi, I think. Because I think the next party will be
ਹਵਾ ਵਿੱਚ
from
ਉੱਡਣ ਫਲਾਈ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹ ਕੰਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ.
one penalty from Muskan.
Oh.
You know now?
Air in
What
the
is the challenge?
fly in the
What is the challenge?
air. Plane go onto the air. नहीं. From the head.
My ba is now going to do to say something.
I'm talking. Okay. Hello. नहीं. Hello friends. चोल खा लो. Rice खा लो. Oh sorry. Rice खा लो. Rice. चल बोल.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स चौल खा लो डक लो बहुत ज़्यादा मिर्च है इसमें
Kushi 24-hour English speaking challenge.
टू मच चिली टू मच स्पाइसी
You want to say something? Oh. So I think our shut up. So I think our challenge 24-hour English speaking challenge is going to khatam.
अबॉट
Abort.
कोरोना
So 24-hour English speaking challenge is going to ended now, but I don't think so anyone win this challenge.